recording trains and stuff, guys. Make sure to follow his channel. Like, he still has all his bags and stuff. Go follow his channel right there, right here. Make sure to follow him.
I need a diarrhea. Wait,
All right.
the PS4.
All right, guys. So, anything you want to tell him? Anything about your channel?
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of more sensitive topics on the videos now. So there's gonna be death, racism, religion. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thomas and Friends just got a whole lot darker.
All right. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm officially buying myself my first Thomas and Friends character, so stay tuned guys, you guys are going to see which one I got. Thank you guys, stay tuned. First unboxing right here, let's go! Hi guys, so I'm hungry. Dropped Hugo Jr. off. Get ready guys, tomorrow I'm gonna do a vlog. I got Omni coming up, Will Rock, so stay tuned for that. You guys already know them. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, 5 guys, and I'm gonna see how it tastes. Did we eat it in Philly?
We ate it here.
Oh, we ate it here? Well, I don't remember, so I'm gonna do a quick review right here. There he goes. It's ready. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's eat some 5 Guys. Worst machine ever. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. The burger and the hot dog was awesome. We bought a hot dog, burger with bacon, and 5 Guys, so that was good. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos like these. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to New York City. We're gonna meet up with Omni, Will Rock, Pokero 7, Cat Gaming's gonna be there, and hopefully we meet up a lot of new New York City Pokemon YouTubers and friends. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. If you're excited, hit the thumbs up. Let me know who you guys want to see in this video. If there's any Pokemon Go YouTubers from New York City you guys want me to meet up with, just let me know. Comment their name, that way I could you know, because a lot of people, I see them in tweets and stuff, but I don't know they're from New York. So yeah, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Pokemon Go, Shuckle, Shinies coming out tomorrow. Let's go. So we got Bunnyary and Shuckle I'm going to be hunting for tomorrow. And of course, all the old Shinies. So let's go, shiny hat tomorrow. Peace.